H1B holders, stop. This is for you. You need to hear this. Trump's $100,000 fee was quietly killing the H1B program that 7 lakh Indian immigrants depend on. Companies stopped hiring. Consulting firms stopped filing. New H1B holders could not enter America. But on June 8, 2026, federal court struck it down nationwide. And here is exactly what happened that you need to know right now.
So first, what was this fee about? So on September 19, 2025, President Trump signed a presidential proclamation requiring employers to pay $100,000 fee for every H1B petition filed, on top of existing fees of $2,000 or $5,000 that they actually have to pay. The impact was immediate. Companies stopped filing new H1B petitions. Indian IT consulting firms who sponsor the majority of Indian H1B holders were hit the hardest. That fee ended as of now. So 20 states fought this fee in the federal court, led by New York Attorney General Letitia James and California Attorney General Rob Bonta. They argued the fee was not a regulatory payment, it was an unconstitutional tax. And only Congress, not the president, has the power to impose a tax. US District Judge Leo Sorokin in Boston agreed to this. In a 42-page decision filed a couple of days ago, he vacated the policy nationwide. So here's what the Judge Sorokin wrote, and I'm reading this directly from the ruling. He said the president has no authority to levy a tax unless such power is delegated by Congress through statute. So he also found that the fee violated the Administrative Procedure Act, the same law used to challenge the H4EAD elimination and the green card AOS policy. So what does this exactly mean for you, H1B holder? Number one, if your employer was delaying a new H1B petition because of the $100,000 fee, that barrier is gone today. Number two, companies that stop hiring H1B workers because of the cost can now reset the processes. Number three, Indian IT consulting firms that were most impacted by this fee can now file new petitions without the $100,000 barrier. One important thing to know for all of you, the Trump administration has announced it will appeal this ruling, which means this fight is not over. The appeal goes to the First Circuit Court of Appeals and potentially to the Supreme Court. The fee could come back in a different legal form or so. But right now, today, the $100,000 fee is struck down nationwide.
I want to say something really important to every H1B holder watching this. 2026 has been the hardest year for H1B holders in the recent memory. Stamping backed up by 2027, H4EAD eliminated, green card rules changed, FDNS officers showing up in your office unannounced, and the Exile Act threatening to end the program entirely. But today, for the first time this year, the system fought back on your behalf. You're not invisible, you never were. But today, that has been proven. Save this and share it with every H1B holder you know, because good news in the immigration deserves to travel just fast as the bad news does. Comment the word fee struck and I will personally DM you an immigration update guide that covers everything that changed in this month, including this court ruling.